Welcome back to Plants Health Benefits. Today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of ginger. This powerful root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cuisine, and it's packed with nutrients that can boost your overall well-being. Let's explore why you should consider adding ginger to your daily routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Nutrient profile. Ginger is a nutritional powerhouse. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients contribute to its numerous health benefits, making it a must-have in your kitchen. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of ginger's most well-known benefits is its anti-inflammatory properties. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, have powerful anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce pain and swelling in conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Digestive health. Ginger is fantastic for digestive health. It can help relieve nausea, reduce bloating, and improve overall digestion. Many people use ginger to combat morning sickness, motion sickness, and even the nausea associated with chemotherapy. Immune boosting. Ginger has immune-boosting properties that can help protect against illnesses and infections. Its antiviral and antibacterial effects make it a great natural remedy for colds and flu. Regular consumption of ginger can strengthen your immune system and keep you healthy. Heart health. Ginger can improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and preventing blood clots. Its antioxidant properties also help reduce oxidative stress, which can protect the heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that ginger may have anti-cancer properties. The compounds in ginger can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including ovarian and colorectal cancer. Weight management. Ginger can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and promoting feelings of fullness. Including ginger in your diet can help you maintain a healthy weight and support your overall fitness goals. Skin health. Ginger's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for skin health. It can help reduce acne, improve skin texture, and promote a healthy complexion. You can even use ginger topically as part of your skincare routine. In conclusion, incorporating ginger into your diet can provide a wide range of health benefits. Whether you enjoy it fresh, as a tea, or in your favorite recipes, ginger is a versatile and powerful addition to your wellness routine. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment with your favorite ways to use ginger and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips.